Hello America, Mark Kelson here today to present to you this beautiful 2016 pre-owned 3004 Bay Star Sport made by Newmar. Let's go in and take a look at it. Nice colors in here, flooring, easy cleanup, beautiful woodwork. The cabinets are extremely well built. Now this has a lot of space in here for family, and you'll see why in just a minute. But I like this. The couch is huge, makes into a bed, sits right across from the countertop, which is Corian. This is a little pull out right there, but you do have two stainless steel sinks right there, a nice little window behind the sinks, very nice. The oven right here, 3-burner oven, and you do have the microwave up above, a whole bunch of drawers, and the TV positioned strategically right here. Now, one of the things I like about this, huge little pantry area, and the refrigerator right next to each other. Now this is a unit that you can take your kids in, because coming back here you'll see that you do have the extra bunks right here, and you can either make that into a wardrobe or you could use it for family, kids, whatever the case may be. Another little cabinet right here, and I don't know if you can see in here, but you have a nice bathroom, good size, nice ambient lighting, big shower. Again, Corian countertop. This door opens, it hinges on the center so that when the slide is in, you can actually get in the bathroom. Coming back here, don't know if you can see it well, you have a full queen size bed, 2 windows on the side for ventilation. Nice big area in here. Wardrobes on both sides with the TV in the middle, bank of drawers underneath. This coach is awesome for a family. Let's go up and see what it has to offer in the cockpit. Coming up here, it is a 16, so one of the neat things is this table right here that folds down into cup holders and a little console. This is on the Ford chassis. It does have automatic levelers, does have the backup camera. Everything right at the touch of a button right here. You can turn on your cruise control. Very cool. It does have a tow haul mode in this coach. Fans up above, auxiliary fans. And you do have the shade that comes down via this little button right here. So this is a well-equipped coach. Flex steel seating. Everything you could want in a motorhome for a family at a decent price. Let's go outside and see what this coach has to offer on the outside. Coming outside, Newmar quality, beautiful paint job. This is full body paint, of course. You do have the water heater right here. Let's see what's down here, see if these are open up. So you got bays right here to store your stuff in. Look at that. Another one right there. You have your furnace right there. Slide outs that integrate into the sidewalls. Automatic awning. They spare no expense on these coaches. Right here, there's a water tank in there, right behind there, so if you have to get at it for any reason, it's easily accessible. Coming to the back, you're looking at another storage area that goes up and beyond to the other side for those long items. Back here in the back, you do have the backup camera right up above there, and you have the ladder accessing the top so you can get to the air conditioner, whatever you need to do up there, check your seals, all that stuff. You have a 5,000-pound tow hitch on the back here. This is a great coach for under 20,000 miles on this thing. Notice here you have a full wall slide, so that gives you all the square footage in this coach that you could possibly want. That's one of the beauties of this coach. 30 amp service, notice under here, with storage. What's in this one? Oh yeah, storage. Up here we got more storage and your water bay, so you have a couple hookups right there. Coming up to this one, you'll see a 4,000 watt awning generator to power all your needs that you may have. A little bit more storage, and of course you have a propane tank to give you that extra fuel on board. Tell you what, pre-owned, under 20,000 miles, Bay Star Sport. We don't see very many of them coming in like this. If this one is of interest to you or any of the coaches we have on the campus or at the show, please give me a call. Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching today.